Is your Kraken account a fortress or a sitting duck? Let's lock down your crypto by showing you how to change your Kraken password, step by easy step. First, if you've forgotten your current password, head to the Kraken login page and click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the recovery process. If you know your current password, log into your Kraken account, and then click on your profile icon, typically located in the upper right-hand corner. In the drop-down menu, find and select Security. This is where you'll find all your account protection options. On the Security page, look for the Change Password option and click on it. You'll now see a form to change your password. You'll need to enter your current password, then your new desired password, and confirm that new password by entering it again. Make sure your new password is strong and unique, ideally a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered all the information, click the Change Password button to submit the changes. You should receive a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully changed. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Kraken password. Regularly updating your password is a simple but powerful way to keep your cryptocurrency safe and secure. Now, you can keep those digital assets under lock and key.